Cause track one, okay, there we go. Cause track one, okay, there we go. Wow. I can hear myself. Wow. I can hear myself. Wow. I can hear myself. I can hear myself. Good old Twitch. Good old Twitch. Good old Twitch. Do it again. All right. Do it again. All right. I need to figure out how to separate. I don't have any extra spare headphones. I don't have any extra. Okay. Why doesn't this play through? Why doesn't this play through? There we go. Okay, now it's loud. It's about time. Okay. This is what I wanted. Because I want to test my audio versus other stuff. I don't know if you guys can hear in the background at all. Sounds good. So if I start talking and saying things, have a granola bar. You can hear me clearly. It's actually not that bad. If I turn up the music all the way. Now I'm gonna talk and say things. And you can hear me all right. That's cool. I don't know if it's too loud. I'll probably turn it down just a little bit. Because we'd like more of a subtle background. All right. That looks good. That sounds great. Hear ourselves over on YouTube. No volume. Here we go. I love it. I'm streaming at IP60. Cool. Twitch stream. Oh yeah, this is great. Alrighty. Let's do this. I feel like I need to sit down already. Oh, my lower back. Things that happen. Okay, let me make a quick announcement on Discord. God is good all the time. Get the YouTube one. Love it. That. Because I am searching for a job. All right, here we go. So, what is the purpose of today's stream? One might ask. Whoa. I have lots of things going. I apologize for that. Streamlabs. Okay, I'll have to mess with that later. We haven't touched streaming in a long time. And my back is getting sore. So, we are going to go to a seated position. And hopefully not to show too much of how dirty my office is. Because I have not been able to go through and clean it all up and get it organized. Enjoy some music while I have my little lunch snack. I will mute the mic so you guys don't have to listen to the crackly crackle of deliciousness. These crunchy bars are always so crispy, crackly, and messy. It's ridiculous, but delicious. I might have to adjust my webcam so I bring my desk all the way down. That's not too bad. I mean, see my trash can? Okay, let me eat this real quick, or you guys don't have to listen to me.
Could I go? Your spirit will follow me down to Sheol. And the thing about the King, he's always with me, so I can't run from you. But I won't run from you. And I said, hold on, wait a minute, I don't want what you ain't in there. I'm about to have a good day. No matter what they say.
Oh my goodness. There it is. It's done.
Birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day.
Okay. Let's get going. So, some of you might be wondering, hey Alec, how's it going? What are we doing? We're loading up an old project that I started about a year ago. When I was let go from a more recent job. Wow, this webcam stuff is just there. Now it helps me feel like it might actually help my posture if I do that. Maybe I should just leave it low so I can sit up straight. Okay. So, what is this thing, Nalik? Or Colin, or however you wish to refer to me. My first investment app. It is written in NextJS. It was my project to really learn React and kind of figure out React. It also served a second purpose of making like an investment thing that I could give to my kids. Doesn't use real money, but it is Next.js with the Vercel deployment and a MongoDB backend for data, which has been a very, very, very interesting like development process. But it's all connected, all integrated. Here's the repo if anybody's interested in seeing what it's about. We're gonna get into it, and I'm actually here because I'm gonna go to my project view and see where I left off. Reporting? That sounds very yuck. Transaction history. Well, I guess that's what we're gonna do. You know, like, it's just what we're gonna have to do. Okay. I'm kind of like scared about the yuck that might be happening here, but we'll see. Hold on, I wanna, can I edit this? Oh, I can. I try to cover up myself in the skies, but I don't wanna hide. It feels like I can't seem to do this thing called life on my own. Try my best to keep my good, not swerve off the road. My sense of truth, my component. I just pray they don't know. Just yes. I don't know where to begin. I got like 2,000 people trying to point out my sins. It sounds like trying to kill me for the places I've been, but forget that Jesus walked with people struggling within. So I guess I'm on. Okay, cool. So my face is really in the way. I might need to use VCam. We'll just kind of work with this for now. So what other stuff did I have on here? I don't know if I feel like tackling this right away. I don't know why I have this set here. Delete child accounts from parent dashboard. That would be nice. To account creation. This has been merged. So this is done, right? I haven't dealt with GitHub's project in a while. Wow, I just jacked up my hair doing what I did. Keep hair management to a minimum. Yeah, I have account creation done. So that means the related status is done. Cool. Alright, so we got it here. That's done. Delete child accounts from the parent dashboard. Child dashboard, show child how much their money has earned them to date. Borrow money. Send a request to the parent. I thought what? I have that already. Here's a great thing about the setup, right? I can, ooh, I didn't want that. I have a prod version of this thing. It's already connected. Just can't remember all the passwords for it. Log in. Okay. You can tell this is very bare bones. Wow, look at that. Current balance is that much money. Yeah, we can request stuff. Man, I have not updated any of this. Send request to parent. Done. Update pretend zone. What is this? Two users attempt to use a pretend zone and want to spend as well as save and expect the UI to change. As a result, we should be updating the pretend zone balance on the save and spend values, not just one. I think I fixed that too. Look at this. Hey, Hunty, what's up? Ooh, JavaScript. Reformist. Reform is the ist. Interesting. Cheap viewers on stream boot. I'll pass. But anyways, what's up, Hunty? Thanks for coming out, man. Appreciate it. Yes. It's TypeScript more specifically, but I mean, TypeScript is just JavaScript with typing. But welcome, welcome. Appreciate you coming out. I don't know who this Reform is theist. Reform is theist? I don't even know. Random nonsense. We gotta get that out of here. It's too bad I can't open the chats. It's been so long. I haven't done a stream in forever. What was I doing? Hold on. I thought we had something where I could have sounds from Restream. I don't even know. Whatever. Oh yes, pretend zone. How is the pretend zone? So I spend 100. We'll have that. Ah, yes. I save 300. So what was the issue? Two users attempt to use the pretend zone. Oh, I don't know why I said two users. Hi, Julie. Julie Martin, welcome to the stream. Appreciate you coming out. Two users attempt to use the pretend zone and want to spend as well as safe and expected the UI to change. As a result, we should be updating the pretend zone balance based on the save and spend values. Not just one. Oh, that's right. I forgot. I had family members play with this, and two of them went to go to the pretend zone and wanted to spend as well as save, and they wanted the UI to change based on that. What's up is we're taking a look at an old application that I started a year ago. I am recently in between jobs, if you will. I'm working with a company that is like a consulting company, and they're having a hard time getting me a new position because of where we moved to recently, and which makes it hard for hybrid work, and they don't have any remote work. So I'm job searching, and while I am applying for jobs every day, I figured let's stream so that we can get my face out there more. But that's what we're doing. So we're kind of doing the code part of job searching, and I guess like getting my brand out. I've been on LinkedIn the last, few days, and I'm like, I really need to get my name and brand out there. I could probably post on X. I should do something on X, but anyway. And you'll have to forgive me. Are you a long time? Have you been with us before? I have not been on the streams for, I don't know how long it's been. I haven't been on YouTube or on streaming on my gaming stuff for 5 years? 4 or 5 years? Brain is trying to do math. Right when my son was born, pretty much. And he is 5. No, he is 6. 6 years. It's been a while. First time here. Okay, cool. Well, thanks for coming out. I appreciate it. I was gonna feel bad if you'd been here before and was like, how come he doesn't remember me? So, done digressing. We need to get back to this. So 2 users, one user pretends and one to spend as well as save and expected UI change. Aha. So that was this. They came in here. They said, if I spend 300, I have this, and they are expecting this value to change as well. I don't know if that's hard because part of me wants to be like, is that really a big deal? But I know when I was just giving people this app to play with, they both expected it. So that's user feedback. That's something that I should do because it's probably going to be something that people want. Update playwright test to hit different location compared to prod. Currently everything is pointed to the same DB. Might be helpful to have the test at a different database or maybe create a set of test collections that playwright tests would use. I want to avoid dirtying up user data. Okay. I have a prod database. Where's MongoDB? Look. Gonna load up MongoDB here.
Like a seesaw when I'm on a beat, like an old man's lawn, better keep off from the ground to the treetops. Got clouds on my feet like Jack in the beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat in
I have not touched this in so long that I had to reestablish my MongoDB cluster. Alright, so if we're in here and look at my collections, you can see I have this guy and then I have a prod app. Okay, good. I thought users might have loaded up. Granted, there are no users right now, but I have a prod app. I don't know if that is being pointed at anything. Let me check out Vercel and see. Brain. Here, this is the one that we want. That's not what I want. Let me log in off stream just in case any sensitive data is exposed. Shouldn't be. But you never know. Alright. Actually, there's environment variables involved with this. Please hold while I figure this out on my own. Oh, I don't need to be giving that information out. That would be bad. Environment variables. Oh, I actually have to open the project. Settings. Environment variables. DB. So, okay. Oh yeah, so production is actually, oh, prod is prod, all pre-production environments. Okay, so I did this already. Okay, here, I'll show you guys. I have, you can see all my pre-production environments in Vercel are set up to use investment app, which is this collection. And then production is using that collection, which is our prod one. So that's done already too. Look at this. I haven't touched this thing in a year and I'm already completing, I've got 3 tasks done. Or 3 tasks, user stories, what do you want to call them? Oh, update playwright test. Ah, okay. The system is doing something different. Playwright tests are not. Okay, that's cool. Username unique check isn't happening. Better API error handling. Yeah, that's horrible. Some pretty generic errors, and the front end is just throwing up a console. We should really improve it. Okay. So now I need to figure out, do I try to hit low-hanging fruit or do I try to hit big stuff? I haven't touched this app in a while. I was actually looking at it yesterday. I'm trying to get myself refamiliarized with React. I've literally been working with Vue.js for the last year. So my head has to get back around React and NextJS. My brain is just sitting here spinning with all the different things that we can do in EA. Not now. Go away. I thought I closed you. We're not gaming today, okay? Close all the gaming things. I had no plan. I should have really thought about this stream more. I just want to get it done. We've got people. We had a bat infestation apparently with this house that we bought, which we bought about 6 months ago. So we're in a home finally, which is great for anybody who's watching and knew of me, you know, 6-7 years ago. But there was a bat infestation and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of guano. Lots of it. It was really bad. So we've had Orkin coming through the last few days and last few weeks, like patching up holes on the soffits and all that. And so anyways, all that to say, if I have to pause, it's because I'm probably talking with them. There's just a lot going on over here. So really haven't had time to think about the stream, which is where I was going. Train of thought has come back. Okay. I'm gonna turn. This is hard because I want to increase the input on here so I can hear myself more. Check. There we go. I can hear myself really great now. I just hope I'm not blowing out the stream. So let's just double check. It shouldn't be because I set up filters to not blow out things, but just in case, let's hear it. All right, bro. How do I sound? I am actually pretty blown out. Like if I go down here, it's not as bad. It's about the same. But you don't get as much extra stuff. Don't you love all the weird noises that I make? Okay. So then what I need to do is... I got it. Ready? This way I can actually hear myself. Isn't that amazing? And this actually makes sense because what I hear is what you hear, and I should just leave it at that. All right. So, back to the problem, which is doing... Do I do something small or do big? I kind of want to do this. I know, like, in the kids' dashboard, this one would be a cool thing to do, but this is going to require, like, graphing, potentially, and I really don't want to deal with that right now. Because I might probably have to find a good third-party app that I can use with React. And that's just going to be a headache. Ugh. Blah. Blah. Create transaction history page, implement. Okay, let's just do that. Even though this feels yuck, we're going to do it. So, let's branch. Enhanced child preview UI. Oh, I already had a branch on here. What? Okay, let's update master. Actually, I don't think master exists. Pretty sure I got rid of master and just have a main. And apparently I have, oh my goodness, I've been doing a lot of small work on my laptop. So primary, yep, I got rid of the buttons. What's the difference? Okay, we'll just take the right. Take the new stuff. Okay, let's load this up because, yeah. Like I said, I haven't touched it on my main machine, which is what I'm working on right now for a while. Oh, interesting. Why do I have many pages open? Local host 3000. The one who wears the crown. First Mongo user. Oh no. First Mongo child. I want to see what the differences are. So this is the new child UI. Quite honestly, does not look all that different than what's in prod. First Mongo child. Unless, you know what, I think... Oh, yeah, actually, there is a difference. A lot more padding. I'm not sure if I am 100% a fan of that. Nice to see you. Good to hear you. Sorry, juggling work and stream. Nice to see you. Yeah, no worries, man. I appreciate you coming out, Hunty. You do your work, man. You do you. You do your thing. I don't... It's hard because, like, to me, this just looks nice. Right-hand side. Right. This side here looks better than... Oh, goodness. I need to flip that. That's going to drive me up the wall, but I can't do that. Hold up. Flip horizontally. There we go. This one's good. But over there, ha! I know how to do things. The one way over there is not great. But this just looks nice because it looks more mobile friendly. And it keeps your focus. Like, the one over here, everything is very stretched out. And I can fix that by, like, pushing everything in the boxes. But might as well just have the boxes in. I don't know. There's design choices. But apparently there's supposed to be enhancements. So let's look at the commit history and see what actually it did. Look at this. And these were done... Update button to handle variants. That was done mid last year. Fix interest issue bug. Oh, that's right. I did fix that. I was so happy that I fixed that. Not rage responsive breakpoints don't work. Blah, 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 blah. Child preview looking better. Oh, child preview. Okay. That's what it was. I need to come out here. We need to go to first Mongo user. Throw in the password. Aha. Yes. This is the one I'm used to. This is what I remember leaving off at way back when. Bro, first Mongo user. Do I just not know how to type? No, login failed. What? First Mongo user. Okay, well anyways, this is the new interface that I was trying to do, which looks so much better. How can I... Let's see. This is prod. Why is this not working? Is it because I have a connection to something else? Hold on. Log in. Are you gonna work now? No, of course not. You're gonna just be dumb. Control F5. First Mongo user. Okay. First Mongo parent. No. So let's go to the prod. Please hold. We do not wish to expose prod data, which is really just me, but oh, parent. That's what I called it because that makes sense. All right. Let's bring this back down. Parenta. Hey, we got stuff. Don't care less, Bess. Okay. And then so first Mongo user. Throw in our test password. Okay. Here's the differences between what I have in main / master and what I was working on. This looks so much better. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't like that we don't have hover states, but that's okay. The problem is, yesterday I spent a little bit of time updating all of the packages in main. So we have Tailwind CSS version 4. We have NextJS version 15.1.2, I think. And all the other stuff updated. So we could hopefully merge or rebase. Yep. See, there it is. I did call it master. I didn't want to rename that to main, but whatever. Okay. So let's rebase. Rebase. Merge. What do we got going on here? We have the button class being applied. Shadow XH. Okay, so we'll merge the easy stuff. Our class name. Shadow small, shadow extra small. So I want to keep, and I think everything else is about the same, right? Yeah, this has got, because I had text white in there on purpose. That's right. And then I fixed a lot of that. All right. That's pushing. That's not. Apply. Merge. What are you up to nowadays, Hunty? When you're able to. And he said, ooh, JavaScript, so I didn't know if he's coding or if it's just you've heard that and know it's coding stuff. Okay. Keep the left. We can get rid of the right. Login. What do we got going on? We're forcing gray text. Oh, that's what originally we were doing. Shadow extra small, shadow small. Okay, let's keep the left side. I'm pretty sure I want to accept their package changes because that's all the updates. 1.5, 1.2, 16. Yeah, just give me all the right and give me all of their lock file. Continue rebasing. Take theirs. Continue rebasing. Hey, we rebased. Where are you from? Oh, managing a small computer and sign shop near my hometown. It's quite nice. It gets hectic real fast. Usually dead enough where I can code on the side. Oh, rock on, dude. What kind of coding do you do? Where am I from? I am from the States. More specifically, Wisconsin. Which is like the Midwest. Which is like... We're literally like just north of Illinois, where we are now. Like it's a 5-minute drive and I've crossed the border into Illinois. So we're kind of more southern Wisconsin. We used to be like compass southeast Wisconsin. I mean, we might still be considered southeast, but we're much closer to Beloit and Whitewater and all that fun jazz. Okay. So we got that stuff. We're gonna force push this up. And, you know, that's interesting because like teacher me wants to kick in and start talking about things. I'm gonna try to tame the teacher side of me in these streams, but for the longest time I would always merge. Everything merged. Where I was working recently, they rebased everything. And I like the idea of rebasing because you keep commit information. Now I could have probably just merged my master branch with this branch and been fine. Trying to think if there's anything. I don't know. I like my commit history to kind of like say what's going on instead of just merge this branch, merge this branch, merge this branch. I think there's pros and cons to each side. Rebasing can, typically be, if you don't know what you're doing, it can be very bad and it can be hard to recover from that. But I like having the commit history. This is my own local repo. I shouldn't say local. It's my own repository. I have control over how I can do things. Whatever. I digress. Tackling C++, C#, and unfortunately Python late in the class. C++, that's nice, dude. That's a good one. You know, the one thing I liked about C++ was knowing how much control you had over stuff, which was cool. But then I got lazy. So I'll let the garbage collector do all that nonsense for me. Oh no, C++ is good for like, I mean, if you want to have that control, that's good. Python, let me know how that goes, dude. I have wanted to get into Python because I know like that was becoming a thing. I don't know if it still is. I just remember a talk that I had with some old church friends a year ago year and a half ago, maybe. And they wanted to learn Python because everybody's doing Python. But I'm on the front end world, which technically Python still is. And I know Ruby on Rails is a thing. And I think Python on Rails is a thing, but I digress. We need to focus. Colin is talking too much. Which is typically how these streams go. So, I now have my updates. Let's blow this away. Rebuild the system. Found lock file missing. Oh, wait, actually, hold on. I need to install the packages. Oh, there's my daughter. She needs something. My kids have recently discovered the couple of YouTube videos that I've been doing, so they're all excited to be on YouTube, and now they know I'm streaming.
Everybody, tell them that I need to have my own YouTube channel.
She really wants to do. Well, we'll get there one day.
Can you bring me right back? I'ma stand strong, but I'm falling off track. Hitting the brakes, don't wanna mess it up. I've been slipping in faith, can't help but stress it up. Feel like I'm in a race, the devil catching up. Scared I lose you. I know you know I love you though. Sometimes I get too comfortable and I mess it up on a regular. New day, new grace, I don't get it, God. I'll be patient with you. Be patient with me. And I'm done with all the running, trying to find you. Cause I couldn't lose your love if I tried to. I'm the alchemist of all my problems, pessimist with all my flaws. Can you be the one to hold my columns, take effect and be my cause? Of all my devotion, I hope that it's real. Trying to push through the motions, I'm coping to feel. I might slip, I might fall, God, I give you it all. Cause you meant in my heart when you tore down the veil. Too comfortable and I mess it up on a regular. New day, new grace, I don't get it, God. I'll be patient with you. Be patient with me. And I'm done with all the running, trying to find you. Cause I couldn't lose your love if I tried to. Yeah, you had my back when I tried to. I was in a dark place, listening to dark days, in a prison of my mind. Stuck inside the fast lane, always unattached, and about ready to end my time. Until you came and found me.
Those kids are awesome. All right. Packages installed. Let's run the local. Okay. Internal server error. We know. Oh, interesting. Okay, log out. Ooh. I'm gonna have to tweak. I know that my color choice as far as like classes and all that is not the best. I'm a developer, so of course I like dark mode. But oh wow. Oh, that's horrible. Yeah, that's gonna have to get cleaned up. Bum 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 ba-dum. Bum 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 ba-dum. First Mongo user. Can't even see it. Okay, cool. That works. Now, the idea behind this UI change was that I can add... Oh, wow, none of this is working. I've got to fix this. Okay, we need to finish this part. We ain't done with this yet. Hold up. I thought I had... Deployment, child dashboard, send and receive, parent approval. I need to scroll. I thought I had an item for updating the UI, but we don't. So guess what? We're gonna put this back into to-do. We're gonna go like this. Say finish updating child preview UI. Create a new issue. Yeah, sure, why not? Wow, I've not done this part, so we'll just do a blank issue. Oh, yeah. Started it a year ago. Never finished. Make it work, please. What was add and remove? Add more money to child account. Remove money from child account. I think that was it. I think that was it. Because when there is a transaction, and we can do this real quick. Let's just go to first Mongo child. And then we're in here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Isn't that a great experience? I want to spend $100 because I want to test stuff. Send the request. I definitely need a notification. Oop. Bud. Yeah. I'm streaming. People are watching and they can see. Can I add you on extra Discord? Because I had a suggestion for you if you don't mind hearing. Yeah, totally. I actually have a Discord channel. Thank you, Hunty. Yes, come on out. And I think I'm on X as Nalex0321. So definitely feel free to hit me up. What's up?
I'm watching.
Sure.
I'm guessing
They're watching on their computers.
we're watching your live thing, so we saw each other.
Yes, at Nalex0321 is my handle on X. Mm-hmm. Okay. So we've got that set up. First Mongo user. My kids will be running around because they're going to be playing now, knowing that we're live. Okay, so this I got to fix too. Fix. I mean, this doesn't have to be one issue, but we're doing it, so we're just going to do it. Fix, and you know what? Let's do checkboxes. Let's check boxes, right? No, bro. Do I have to put a space in it? Markdown. Why are you not doing the things that you're supposed to be doing? What? Hold up. Bear with me here while I remember how to do Markdown. Check boxes. Ah. Preview. There we go. Fix request brain. Fix request expander. I'll just call it that. Oh. Shift enter. No, is that control? Control enter? There it is. Cool, we did it. Can you add me back when you feel free? Join your channel, I sent you. Yes. Mana, mana. Oh, Discord.
You ain't drive me in that pit. Hey now, saw my soul inside that fam and said that's it. Grace now, you never flake in the cold winter. I just came to borrow with the gold winners. Fast forward, turn to a road runner. Spirit caught me, he a go getter. Shed blood, gave me lemonade on his cold bennett. Pick me up. I was timid.
All right, welcome. Okay. So this works, and we can expand this. This is supposed to be the icons, and that was one of the issues I was having, was icons weren't working. Let's work through this. 2 notifications on LinkedIn. What happened on LinkedIn? Meh. Boring stuff. All right. Okay. Let's first figure out this icon thing. Now, dashboard, parent dashboard, child preview. What is going on, and why can we not get the icon to show? Oh yeah, because I was trying to get material symbols. I mean, we could just do this for now. Oh, this is the lazy symbols. Where's expand down? What? Do I not have an expand down? Okay, here's what we're gonna do is we're gonna go like this. That way I can code and watch at the same time. And there's my kids. Love you too, guys. Okay. That's yep. Yep. Oh no. We have this. So on click, show request, we have this span here. We have another span. What are the 2 spans? Oh, the request? I see. Yep. Class name equals margin left, do 1, ML1? No, that's not. Why are you not liking that? Yeah. Oh, sorry, margin right. Duh. There we go. Cool. And then, oh, how come this doesn't want to work? Where's my man? Get do the chopper. What's up, Speedy? What's up, man? Been a while. How you been, my friend? How you been? Got this. You got this. You got this. Hooray! Hooray! Twitch. Hop over on Twitch here real quick. I gotta see if. Okay, whatever. Okay, we need material icons. That's what I was working with. Google material icons. I probably don't want to do this anymore because it's not working nicely. And I know to get these integrated, I was supposed to do something on like page, the layout, mobile, enter, like I was trying to get this to go. I haven't seen you live in ages, man. Almost feeling a sense of nostalgia. Yep, it's been that long. We've got a house. Oh, I don't know. I think I put that on the Discord. We have a house now. So I actually have like a legitimate office to stream and do stuff in. It's an absolute mess still, because we moved in only 6 months ago, and I haven't been able to get down in my office and really clean up, or even our basement anyway, but that's life. Oh, it's not. I'm sorry, no good, Nick. Is it set to satisfactory? I thought I updated it. Restream was supposed to have updated it, but it probably didn't. I am so sorry. Hold up. Please hold while I fix that, because Restream failed to do its job though. React is good though. React is good. I gotta update my Twitch stream too. So many things. All right. I haven't done this through here in a minute. Stream manager. Got it. Yes. Okay. We are not streaming satisfactory. Quick actions. Oh, what are all of these buttons? Stream together, manage goals. Clip that, edit stream info. Edit stream info. Yes, there we go. Haha, turn that off. Software and game development. That's, I don't, we'll just do that notification tags. ReactJS. NextJS. Typescript. Those will be the tags. Done. All right, stream's been updated. Thank you, no good, Nick. Yeah. Okay. So we have Google Fonts. Here it is. This is supposed to work. As far as I know, this is supposed to work, but it doesn't. And I even looked up how to use Google, how to use material icons in Next.js. And they're like, I mean, dev, the stuff is there. Oh, wait, I found Next.js has replaced head.js with metadata. Like metadata, blah, blah, blah. Use NPA material symbols. It does all the legwork in importing material symbols. How old is this? How old is this? Oh, a couple of years ago. It might work. But I think in your use case, you'd want to either globally import material symbols. Yeah, but I don't. Is this just somebody hosting it, or is this legit Google? Go to the GitHub. Where is this coming from? I mean, used by a lot of people. Contributors. Rob Grease. That sounds familiar. Don't know who that is. Why can't it just go from here? Why can't it just go? Oh, okay. We're gonna do this. We will take a moment to just struggle through this together, guys. I'll try to keep you guys informed of what's going on in my head as I struggle. Chevron. Do we not have a chevron up? Okay, how about expand? Keyboard up arrow. Expand expand all collapse. Hey, somehow? I don't know. Yeah, it's been just about everything but good as late. It's been 7 months and we just out here trying to stay alive, you know. Ah, dude, I'm sorry to hear that, man. I am sorry to hear that. That's tough. Well, we'll be praying for you, bro. I mean, you're still alive, which is great. I'm glad to hear that. But I know you've been going through a lot, man. Hopefully, this brings a little bit of happiness to your day. That nostalgia, that bit of nostalgia and coming back. Expand circle up. Oh no. Drop down, chevron left. This is just horrible. Horrible, horrible. UI actions. I can relate though. Speedy, I'm reading your message over and over again, and I just pray that things get better for you, my friend. In the name of Jesus, that stuff starts working out. That's just... Oh, it's hard going through rough stuff. I mean, that's kind of where we've been. I know, like on the YouTube stuff, we left off with... I think kind of the last time was we were at my Aunt Ingrid's mother-in-law suite. I think it's the last stream that was there, and my boy had been born maybe 6-month-old. But we've been going through a lot and working through a lot, my friend. So I can relate, but just keep on keeping on, my man. Keyboard control key. Oh. I mean, anything specific that I can be sure that we're praying for over here? I'm not too sure, like, living wise or what's going on with all that. Ooh, my wife made a cookie. She made a lot of cookies. Wow. Well, you don't want to say hi? Everybody?
The kids are really excited.
Yeah.
We're on TV, Mama.
The little things. Okay. You know what? Maybe I won't worry about icons. It's one of those where, like, the dev in me, the wanting to do things right in me wants to do icons because icons look nice. Lazy dev in me to just make things work wants to do a do the easy lazy thing, which is this. Oh man. What is React's if? Like I said before, I've been doing Vue for the last year, so is it if? If? No. Show? No. Huh. I have not done this for a while. Time to get my next best helper. How would I show / hide element based on what? Based on show requests equal true. It's been a minute. It's been a minute since I've been in React. Got a lot of relearning. ID, key, class name, div. What? Ah, yes, the curly brace thing. That's right. Pending request at length is greater than 0. Oh, yuck. Oh, yuck. I don't like how this is going to look. This is going to look so gross. I think my body doesn't self-destruct anymore. Physical health as well as mental health is at an all-time low. I got you, bro. We got you, man. In Jesus' name, that things will get better. Mental health and physical health will get better. Bro would have gratitude and love Surround him, and that your warmth and your presence surround him. Help him out. Okay. So, not show requests, and oh, this is so gross. Did I do that right? And there has to be a better way than this. Has to be a better way than this. Oh, that's so yucky. You can show or hide elements based on that state. You can use a conditional rendering approach, JSX. Oh, yuck. I mean, I'm not a fan, but it is what it is. Okay, so we got that. I clicked the button. Hey, you didn't change. Bruh. Oh, duh, because I didn't do this. There. See? That's the lazy way of doing it. That icon, I mean, it's an icon, so it's different sizes. So as far as like user experience, not so great. Kind of like, that looks weird. But it gets it done. So we've got that in. This is like balance. When did I change in balance? Console logs. Bruh, why is that all in there? Bruh. Bruh. Fixed all that. Hum 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 hum. And that's why I had that test, because I wanted to test some things. Okay. So, excuse my burp. We're gonna go like this and say, simple solution to expand to expanding toggle. We'll get that in. It's not what I'd like, but we've got the logic in. So now I'll spend a short amount of time trying to do it the more polished way. And if it takes too long, we can leave it and come back to it later. Now, we go to material icons. Up. Up. How, what is like the typical icons? Like that's drop downy. Oh, yeah, okay. So I want chevron up and down. Okay, okay. This is what I want to find. Blah 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 blah. What is that called? Is it not a up arrow? Stat 1. Stat 1. That makes sense. Stat 1, stat minus. I mean, I don't like that. I don't. Bro, stop it. Okay, let's just kind of do one of these and do a visual looking at all the stuff that's available. I know we could do more, but I don't care. I don't care. Okay, we're just gonna have to do that. Stat minus. Now is where things get all crazy. Animations. I don't care about animations. Here we can do a link, but I don't want that. But I did have a style sheet. I do have a global style sheet. And the layout would be where the JavaScript would run, or the HTML would have this. Inserting the icon. Alternatively, the current configuration can be loaded as a static font instead of a variable one. Okay. Check out the symbol guide. Ooh, what's happening? I need to move. What are material symbols? I know. Getting started, downloading individual ones. I don't want that. Can you just give me the whole thing? Complete set of materials is available to download in that format. They're suitable, blah, blah, blah. In the web, it's incorporated into the web project. The easiest way to set up icons is to use any web page through Google Fonts. Yes. Okay. Includes the default configuration. Yes. And it should just go. So I copy this. I've tried this before. I don't know why it doesn't work for me. We'll get a head tag. We'll do that. Oh. Title equals my first investment app. Sure. Even though I'm pretty sure NextJS takes care of that. So now I should be able to, we're just going to test things, right? Let's go right to our page. Nope. Nav. No, is it in here? It's in the child preview, isn't it? No, it's not. Where did I put it? Parent dashboard? This is a test. Yes. Okay. Do we get our icon? I don't think this is going to work. It might. Here, I need to do the ReactJS X things. Perhaps if we get a chance to chat later, I'll stream. I'll let you know what's going on. Don't want to come in here and jump a dump the first stream back. Just want to hang out and vibe. Okay, rock on, dude. Dude, reach out on Discord. Even if it's not I'm sitting on or whatever, dude, feel free. Reach out. I'll get back to you. Okay, we've got that. Oh, shut up. Shut up. It worked. It just worked the first time. Okay, so if I go like this and say stat 1. Ha! Oh, wait. Hold on. Please hold. That's not what I want. Stat 1. What do I put it in as? Bro. Stat _1. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Shut up. Literally spent like 2 or 3 days trying to figure this out a year ago. And we just struggled for about 15 minutes. I cannot believe it. I am in complete astonished disarray. I threw my hat down. Emotional damage. That's the level of craziness that's going on. Okay, so we have stat 1, we have stat -1, stat _-1. Okay, look at that. And like that, we've done it. And like that, we have buttons. Look at that. It's awesome. It's awesome. We did it. We did it. We did it. Okay, let's check that off the box. Let's check that one off. Now like where'd it go? Yep, this guy. Guess what? Boom. Fix the request expander. She be done. Let's commit that code. Commit that code. Child preview. Okay, what do we do? Yep, we added the stats. We want those. I don't know why you feel like you have issues, so let's just roll back any changes that we can't see. Okay. What are you yelling about? Missing required title element. It is literally right there, bro. Bruh. What is this yelling about? A font display parameter is missing. Adding display optional is recommended. NextJS font display. What? The link HTML element specifies relation between the current document and external resources. This blah, 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 blah. To link an external, you'd include a link element inside your head like this. Yeah. This simple example provides the path. What am I missing? What am I missing here? Oh, yeah, you're telling me what a link is. So the linter is saying a font display parameter is missing. Add that. See NextJS. Okay. What's this about? Google font display. Why is occurring? For a Google font, the font display descriptor was either missing or set to auto, block, or fallback, which are not recommended. Possible ways to fix this. Oh, and display equals optional. So specifying optional minimizes the risk of invisible text or layout shift. If swapping to the custom font after it is loaded is important to you, use display swap instead. Okay. So, play equals like optional? Optional. Alright, cool. What's the other one? Custom font, not added to pages document.js. Only load for a single page. This is discouraged. Okay. Tell me, Next.js, what am I doing wrong? You don't want to tell me. Please, I wish to know. I want to learn. Why are you not clicking? There we go. Custom font adding was added to a page. This only adds the custom possible ways to fix. Create the file pages document _js and add. Okay. Or as a function component. When not to use it. If you have a reason to only load a font for a particular page. Okay. So do I have one of those? I don't know if I have one of those. Dot pages. What? Oh. I'm gonna turn those off. I don't want the notifications, please. A snooze. Thank you. What are you complaining about? Dot pages. But I'm using the app router. So you're giving me something for a thing that I don't have? And add the font to the custom document. HTML head, body, main. I mean, I have this page. I don't even think it does anything. And I have nav. And I have layout. Layout has nav. This is the main page. This might be just one I ignore because it's a lint issue. No page custom font. Yeah, it thinks this is the page. Oh, this is the page. Oh no, that's a home page. Nav has the layout with the links. Root layout, page, main. Oh, I gotta remember how all this stuff connects together again. It has been a minute. Custom font you're adding was added in a separate component within pages/document. This disables. Page, this only adds a font to a specific page on the standard application. To fix this yeah, but I don't. Okay, now we go to the big chat. Let me load up big chat and ask it a question. Big chat. I was given this link as a reference to an ESLint issue. I am not 100%. You know what? Let's just do it within Copilot because Copilot has the context of. Actually, VS Code would be better because that version of Copilot has the context of the code base possibly, but I was told to go to this link for an error. Actually, you know what? We'll just simplify it even more. Ready, bro? Check it. Check it out. What's it all about? I am getting this lint error. When I go to the link, page/ what am I doing? Pages / document.js file. I don't think I should do this because I am using Typescript. And I'm using the, oh wow, my fingers are getting cold. The app router version of Next.js. Yeah. Since you're using Typescript in the app router, blah, 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 you should create pages.tsx file to probably configure custom fonts. Create that. Add the following code. Let's ensure that your custom fonts are loaded. Okay. Why Does it need to go into the pages directory? This is one thing that I loved about AI. A year ago, when AI and GPT-3 was a thing, and like Copilot had first come out, choking on my spit, I felt like doing this and using this thing was a bad cheat code. Like, it was one of those where it's like, okay, you don't do this if you're a professional because you just know the stuff. But really, as developers, if we don't know, we go to Stack Overflow. We go online and search Google. Chat kind of speeds that up. And you can put in the context of your work and it can search things for you. So it's so wonderful. I love it. Great way to learn. Quick learning thing. I'm working on a game that I'm developing with Copilot and GPT-4, and it's just, it's amazing. I love it. But anyways, the NextJS, the pages directory is used to define the application's routes. I know that. The document.tsx file is a special file in NextJS that allows you to customize the HTML. Okay, hold up. But I know that already. So that's why I have... The pages directory is used to define the application routes. The document.tsx file is a special file in NextJS that allows you to customize the HTML document structure. It is used to augment the application's HTML and body tags and is only rendered on the server side. Okay. That makes sense. By placing that in the page directory, NextJS can recognize it and apply the custom blah, blah, blah. Here's an example. But I don't... Here's the thing that I think isn't work, because I'm using a lot of client-side code. Like, nav is client-side because of the context. Page is not client-side. Alright. Let's just plug it in and see what happens. New directory. Pages. It just looks so gross. Wait, do I need to put it in the app? Does it need to go into app? The file structure I have is such. Oh, I can't do pictures in this, can I? I thought maybe I could just go like this. Copy it and paste it in here, but that doesn't work. So I need to say /app /API /app /components app contains the API directory, which is the routes for the backend, and the rest of app is for the front end. Let's just see if it figures something out. Next, app router structure. That's what I said. Did I not say I was doing that? Oh, and the new next, yes. You should place the custom document in the app directory instead of the pages directory. The app directory is used for the new file. Did I not tell you from the very beginning, Copilot? This is also why AI will not be replacing coding jobs. So you can create a custom document in the app. Okay, document.tsx. So then that underscore document has to be like some kind of special hard-coded thing that JSX okay, we did that. You know what they say about pride. That's why I'ma keep it low key. Should not be imported outside of pages. Yeah, see, this linter is not linting properly. Okay, so if I just save this, I don't think it's gonna work. Honestly, I'm spending all this time trying to figure. Yeah, that didn't work. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're gonna blow it away. I'm gonna go like this. It's a required title element. It's literally right there. There. Are you okay with that now? Missing required title element. You are garbage. Garbage trash. We're going to leave it because it works. I could probably make this better, but here's what we're going to do. Ready? Ready? More actions. Disable option, function return types for type annotation and lay hints. I don't want that either. Suppress for the current line. Oh, that's so yuckies too. Okay, I'll leave the yellow squiggly. It makes me upset, but it's yellow. Okay, cool, done. Look at that, all that nonsense just to figure out. I amaze myself sometimes at how distracted I get. Finally got material icons and updated preview to look nicer. All right, commit and push that. All that praise just for it to fail. Look at that. And it's still, you know, my linter is the WebStorms is like, hey, there's still some errors in the linter, but it just, these are not required. I don't like that it's there. I want no errors. It'd be nice. Or no warnings, but we're just going to ignore them. There's probably some way I can ignore it. All right, cool. We did that. Let's go and get the other guys going. And because our page doesn't take up the whole space, we can, let's just go to mobile size. Mr. Mobile, we want you to be on the mobile size. Pixel 7. That is not how you are supposed to look. Why do you look so ugly? I did not make you mobile friendly, did I? Not at all. That sucks. 90%. You do not look good at all. Okay, we're just gonna do it like this. Okay. I need to get some pants on. It's cold down here. I have shorts on. It warmed up. It was like 60 degrees yesterday, which is warm for us Wisconsinites, especially at this time of year. Now it's like high 52. But the cold weather comes right into the basement. It's no fun. We want to add. We want to be able to easily add money. Unbutton pressed, add pressed. Beautiful. Okay. So if we want to add money, it'd be cool to have an overlay. Like if I go like this and I deny, we get this cool overlay. Boom, we're back. I don't like how nasty that overlay is. Like there's no opacity to it.
I have dear friends who've adopted
poop.
the questionnaire asking
BG-wide opacity 60.
you're willing to live with. What kind of
That didn't look like 60. How about 40?
okay with in a child that you're going to adopt?
F5.
Okay if they can't walk, if they're
That
paralyzed,
did not look good.
push them.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do, is we are going to make a new button to do something. Button text equals
Functions, they're
load,
a normal brain would. Are those things that you're
unbutton pressed.
you think
How do we make the loader come? Set loading true, cool. Boom, 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 boom. Set loading to true.
person that living being
Thank you for helping me fill in the blanks. Where's the button?
about God adopting us is that he says, I'll take that one. I'll take the one that's
Not loading requests and show requests and pending requests.
going back to his sin. I'll
I
take
put it in the wrong spot.
starving herself. I'll take the one who looks
This is, I gotta get used to this React look. Okay, so you push the button. We're loading. There is no opacity in there.
who constantly
Or transparency.
walks into a room and wonders
Transparency is not working. Why are you not
about them. They're enslaved to their
text gray for the spinner? I don't care about the spinner. Loading requests.
qualifying
This is loading.
that the Lord turns away. There's
Because of the background white color? Like, that should be...
can't them. Jesus' blood is not enough.
Okay. Why is opacity not working? Now we go into here. Oh, look at that. It actually did mobile. Oh, is that your dog?
For the forgiveness of sins can be adopted as God's children.
Cool.
Hi.
We can be his, not his slaves.
Mod getting auto-modded.
Not people who are trying to earn our allowance.
Somebody got auto-modded? Oh no.
Not someone who's trying
Please
to
hold.
but women and men who have been adopted by the creator of the heavens and the earth to be his children, to call him Abba, Father.
What is this? Auto-mod. Mod got auto-modded. How dare it, Twitch. How dare you. No, I know. I've got super sensitive auto-mod set up. Interesting. Okay, cool. Well, here is the story, my friends. I have been recruited to try and go run out and get some stuff from the store. So I am probably going to end the stream for today. I'm hoping for the rest of this week at the very least, until hopefully I can get a new job, a legitimate job. I'll be doing this from like 10 to 4. I want to stream for like 4 hours every day, and then I'll like be, you know, in the mornings, I'll probably be doing morning family stuff. In the evenings after the stream, probably coding, job applications, and all that fun jazz. But you know, the biggest purpose for this stream is, one, to give me a reason to code and give me a reason to be proactive in my coding on this project, which is going to help me relearn React, which is a very popular programming web framework that everybody's asking for, even though I kind of want to put my bet on like the Vue.js horse, but I've been working on it for a year. I digress. So I need to re-up my React chops. It's also a means for me to throw stuff out on LinkedIn and kind of make more of a presence on LinkedIn so that people who are looking at me can be like, oh, he has a stream. Let's go watch his stuff. All that fun self-branding, entrepreneurial, well, not really entrepreneurial, but self-branding stuff, because that's the thing nowadays is you got to brand yourself and network and blah, 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 blah. So that's the thing. So that's what the rest of the week is going to be like. It's just 4 hours of stream to hang out and get my name out there. So thanks guys for tuning in. You guys are awesome. It's great. It's been great reconnecting with some of you guys. Hunty, if you're still there, thanks for hanging out. Speedy, I am so glad to been able to talk, man, and just hang out and vibe. Definitely reach out, because I'd love to know what we could be praying for and asking the Lord to help you out with. And if I can be available to help too, like, I will do whatever I can, because you are part of the crew, man. You're part of the family. Everybody on YouTube who might be watching, thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. All my little ones, I love each and every one of you. You guys are awesome for watching. And yeah, catch you guys tomorrow. I'm hoping to be at like, I think I said 10 to 2 Central Standard Time. So like 4 hours of streaming. I got in late because I had to run to get stuff. We're ending a little early, but that's okay. I was able to spend time getting set up. Things are set up. So tomorrow I can just get started. We can get rolling right away. I might even have made some progress because I'll probably be coding on my laptop upstairs, and we'll see some cool stuff. Maybe. I don't know. Anyways, you guys are awesome. God bless each and every one of you. Catch you guys tomorrow.